Okay guys, this is my 2023 KTM 350 XCF. Alright, 130 hours on this thing. Yesterday I was riding and then I started hearing a ticking noise, something weird clanking noise going on. Pulled the valve cover off. Check that out. That's not supposed to be like that. Now I've heard a lot about this cam chain tensioner, so I'm suspecting that's our culprit there. But yeah, this is definitely no good there. So I'm gonna have to change the chain. Definitely want to change the chain. And then I think Dirt Tricks or Dirt Works makes an aftermarket cam chain tensioner for this thing, but I've already done the valve adjustment at like 120 hours. All three were out of spec only by a little tiny bit, but I adjusted them. The bike starts up great, but as you can tell, this is definitely no good here. That's a loosey-goosey, you don't want that, and I'm gonna make sure it's in time still, but the bike still ran great, so I'm sure it didn't skip time, but you can't run your chain tensioner like that. This can skip time and cause catastrophic failure. So, yep. Been a great bike other than that, you know. Race this thing all the time, but yeah, definitely keep an eye out for this. If you start hearing a weird noise in your motor, this is the first thing I would check. All right, thanks guys. Okay guys, a little update. I did just check the timing. Luckily, this thing did not skip on me. You can see that right there lined up perfectly. So yeah, luckily this thing didn't skip on me. Should be all set, you know. Just the chain and the tensioner you're gonna want to replace on this.